So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the tab group features in your Safari to stay organized if you use multiple tabs. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the Safari app and open the tabs menu. Now, if I open multiple tabs, for example, if I open 3 tabs right there. Now, if you want to group some tabs and make it and give it a title, for example, let's just press and hold this tab because I want to hold to group this one. Now once I do that, here I need to press on this option of move tab. Once I go over there, here you're gonna find this option that says new tab group. Just simply tap over there and just simply name the tab. For example, this is a sample, and if I hit done, now a tab group have been generated. There you can see where I can serve my some important stuff. So by this method you can easily do that. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.